Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mahjong on your computer. First, decide which type of Mahjong you want to play, like the popular Mahjong Solitaire or the more complex traditional 4-player game. Next, pick a platform that suits you, whether it is a website, a downloadable application, or a mobile app. Take a few moments to explore the game's layout and controls. Learning the fundamental rules for your chosen variant is key to a smooth start. For Mahjong Solitaire, your main objective is to clear the entire board by pairing up identical tiles. Remember, only free tiles can be matched. These are tiles not covered by others and open on either their left or right side. When you find two matching free tiles, simply click on them to remove them. Strategic thinking is crucial here, as one wrong move can leave you with no more available pairs. Traditional Mahjong is a game for 4 players, typically using a set of 144 tiles. The primary goal is to assemble a winning hand, which usually consists of 4 sets and 1 pair. A set can be a pung, 3 identical tiles, or a chow, 3 consecutive tiles of the same suit. Players take turns drawing new tiles and discarding unwanted ones, strategically building their hand towards completion. When playing Mahjong on your computer, make good use of any in-game hints or undo options, especially when you are just starting out. Do not hesitate to try various game layouts and adjust the difficulty settings to find what challenges you best. Consistent practice is key to sharpening your tile recognition and strategic thinking. Playing against computer opponents can also be an excellent way to observe and learn new tactics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.